So we came here to Dublin to learn the Tachyon language for producing new instructions. It's only a matter of knowing the language and your imagination.
My name is Jason Keogh, I'm the VP of Product at 1E, and for the past year or so my role has been really to make sure that Tachyon is successful in the market.
My name is Carlos Pereira. I work as a developer for a security company in Edinburgh.
So we had some customers and partners that wanted to not so much get training, there's formal Tachyon training. And what happened this week was that customers reached out and said, look, we're extending Tachyon, we're writing our own instructions, but we just want to know how to do that better. So we set up a workshop here where we brought in some customers and some partners.
Together building more functionality, so it's kind of cool because we are building a community as well.
As 1E, we have a lot of large enterprise customers that are using our other tools, and we want them to know about what Tachyon is, but I want to know from them if they had one of these all-powerful things, what would they do with it?
About 2 weeks ago, we made a demo with some clients, and we showed how Tachyon integrated with an IT management tool. So you can, for example, get the running processes on every machine in your state and have that on a single tool. So this tool wasn't Tachyon, but Tachyon was feeding all that information into this management tool. So that was amazing and people were amazed.
For Tachyon users that can't make it to one of our workshops in person, but still want to exchange ideas and develop amazing new uses for Tachyon, they can visit the online community at the new Tachyon Exchange.